Right. So someone is looking for anyone. About what?
Please tell anyone. Her sister, everyone is in the hospital. And her brother, Sam one, is looking for her.
I'm about to beat your
Nasi interview lagi khang na thawai na tawri mani basi ai yaw na khairak pani ba nasi interview ga pung chai chai ni ko sing ba yare mi thajin bawra may I come in, sir? Yes, take your seat. Can you speak English? Yes. Name? Dolanjao. Sex? Aish, kari interview question ko hum si bo. Yera, khan vocabulary lorida. Lo in haido ki kaida hogi. 3 to 4 times a week. No, I mean male or female. Male, female, sometimes animal. Holy cow! Cow? Si below na dua siranya. Mira. Cow, sheep, monkey too. Bird is not this style. Horse style, dog style, and any style.
Oh my God! Wow!
Oh dear. No. Deer run too fast. Shut up. You get out. Sir, I say you get out. Nonsense. Mustava. Next. May I come in, sir? Yes. Take your seat. Can you speak English? Yes. Name? What? What's your name? What's my name, sir? Yes. What's your name? My name is what? What? Yes. Are you John? No, I'm not. Will you tell me your name then? Will not. Why not? My name is Not. Not what? Not what? Not. My name is Not. Will not. Yes, sir. Sumnagi interview lo gedi leitana mi khanna ba hawri dudi fazaba walida. Interview da dine maming matha hangba se tawdaba yadaba ko adun ai su ibungo gi maming matha hamjari ba nate naming do haibi ning do di kai do interview se khambala ino kaino sir na haibi ri so ai su ai gi mi word ko jina hanjin haibi re dana sida sir na hanjin hangbi ri su kaino sir gi di haibi bro ai su ai gi mi not will not go we haina hanjin haibi du natro sir ai bab tajare ima lon se laina miram gi lon si narubagi ngasi ibani lon phawna bangam damne sumain torse sar gi so other card puthok piro ai gi su puthok charage aduga hana ming gi se amta na kai singna gi se ai gi other card si da laser sar gi su puthok piro
English ki oiba wahai wata ji sijana bai mahutta akhoi ima lon oiba ima laibaki thambirami ba ipai puna thambirami ba lon je sijana na bo hona jini ai ju mapalom da lairik phajan tamame adugu lonyan je pam da bai da makte tok thoga swai da lairi jini ko adu matung da di lonyan ji sijana buinte ai ju maite me sani ju maite me sani